AG Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a wireless microphone handle that's used for a Rode microphone. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand, let me actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so that is basically what the inside looks like. So you guys take it out. Here is basically what the product looks like. So they do have the brand logo on top. They have this very nice kind of material on here to give you guys a good cushion when you guys do hold it. The other side right here, we do have the slot for you guys to insert the actual microphone or the Rode microphone. On the bottom, they do give you guys the option to actually screw it onto a tripod if you guys want to do that as well. And the way how they design the top part, it is rotatable, so that way you can turn it around if you guys want to. And also another thing that's actually really cool about the product is the fact that it does give you guys the option to pull it out. Just like that, if you guys want to. And the way how they designed this part right here on top, it allows you guys to put in two different ways. Let me actually get my microphone to show you guys what I mean. So right here, you can see I do have my Rode microphone. So if you guys want to insert it in, one way for you guys to do it is go like this. And that way you can use the handhold option like that. Another way for you to do it is by taking it out and insert it this way. So if you guys want to use it that way, you guys can do that as well. But you see the product is definitely super lightweight and super portable, so that way you can bring it along with you guys almost anywhere. And it doesn't require any power source. Other than the fact that you just want to make sure your Rode microphone is fully charged before you use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality microphone handle that you can use for your Rode microphone. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.